how to get Duolingo's math and music courses. So let's get started. Firstly, for iOS user, open the App Store and search for the Duolingo app. And for Android users, open the Google Play Store and search for the Duolingo app and simply download it. Once downloaded, simply open the Duolingo app. Once opened, you will be navigated with some login options available in Duolingo. Simply continue with the process and get to the map option available there. Now again continue with the process. Tap on one of these according to your preferences and continue. Now once you are here inside the map, simply tap on the flag option available in the top left corner of your screen. And after you tap on the flag, a drop down menu will appear from there and there will be maths and music option available for courses. So there you can see. Also make sure that you have the updated version of the Duolingo app if you don't see math and music option available. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.